Alright, a new day. I just came out, and what do we have to smash today? A circuit board. I don't think this came from a little power supply, because it's the perfect size to be from one. Wonder why the angry office man would throw away a power brick. Never seen that before, but I guess there's a reason he wants to throw it away. Guess it didn't work, so let's get right into it. Yeah, these are just so weird to smash. Yeah, you see, they're just not really any fun to smash. Like, it's just a flat piece of something. Not really much value worth smashing the circuit board. You see, they just fall apart so easy. It's not really worth it. And they keep jumping around the place and shooting capacitors. This is great. Oh wow, that capacitor's not willing to smash. Come on. Ah, that's enough of that capacitor. It's never gonna get smashed. Get beaten to a pulp. Get beaten to a pulp. Alright, now I'm gonna come back to over here. Wow, this capacitor lasts for a bit. Before I just gave up against literally just a little metal can. That's just circuit board. I don't know what the hell that's supposed to be. This little thing. But yeah, so that's all the smashing that need to be done today. If you like this video, then like, share, comment, subscribe. We are already over 1,000 subscribers, and I can't believe it.